A routine journey from Sialkot to Karachi turned tragic as a passenger train and a cargo train underwent a direct collision.
बस बर्थ पे लेटा हुआ था तो एकदम जो है ना बस ट्रेन टकराई है और मैं नीचे आ गया हूँ। उसके बाद पता नहीं, जो काट के निकाला है, तोड़ के निकाला है।
One of the carriages of the passenger train was badly damaged, leaving hundreds of people trapped inside. After over 2 hours of rescue efforts, the injured were shifted for treatment to the Jinnah hospital.
उनको सबको ज़्यादातर लिम्ब इंजरीज हैं और फ्रैक्चर्स हैं, ज़्यादातर को ऑर्थोपेडिक रिलेटेड इंजरीज हैं।
Speaking to Dawn News, DIG East Abdul Khalik described the cause of the accident.
These two trains collided, and obviously there is some issue related to signal. One of the drivers must have made a mistake.
Rescue efforts were hampered by a lack of proper technology.
I called DS Railway and asked him to send immediately one crane, but it's up to this time crane didn't come. I don't know why they have neglected this heavily accidented area.
The police and the civilians around the area also rushed to ease the situation.
We don't have state-of-the-art equipment, and we don't have well-coordinated agencies which carry out rescue operation. But under the given circumstances, as you can see, the police officers, other law enforcement agencies, even the villagers, railway police, all of them are, actively engaged, and you can see their enthusiasm and the way they are working, and they have done wonderful job given the circumstances.
Authorities have ordered an investigation to look into the cause of the accident. Anum Muneer, Dawn News.